Hey, this is Brett. I'm with Fathom Realty. I am doing a class on how to deal with investors. Investors can make you a lot of money. You can make a lot of money with investment property too. And I'm going to show you multiple streams of income for that. By the time you're done with my class, if you're not making 15, 20,000 a month, more than you are now. And just imagine never having to door knock, cold call, or anything like that again. You have deals coming to you. So I just got off the phone with a guy in New York who called me from a video and wants to get going because I do everything. So I'm going to teach you how to purchase, rehab, lease, manage, sell real estate, how to make multiple streams of income, how to charge for it, how to get it. So if you're a realtor and you want create these kind of services for your client, I'm only accepting 10 agents. This is a beta. This will be the cheapest it'll ever be. So please, it's going to be a live class. There's no upselling, nothing like that. You're going to learn how to set up a system. So once you're out of this class, you can just start working on your system and creating an investment forum for you and your clients to be able to profit from. And I'll show you how to do that. So go to attentionrealtors.com, get signed up today, and the link's below. And I look forward to talking to you. We're going to set up 10 agents, and it's kind of the first time. So the prices will go up as we go, but there's no upselling. You're going to learn how to do it straight from this 2.5-day work class. So again, I look forward to meeting you. Hope you guys sign up, and let's get going. Thanks.